C. Newton. D. Pascal. E. Kilogram. The answer is C, which is Newton. Question number 2. Which of the following is a vector quantity? A. Speed. B. Mass. C. Temperature. D. Velocity. E. Time. The answer is D. Question number 3. The uniform motion is motion with A. Zero speed. B. Constant velocity. C. Increasing acceleration. D. Varying displacement. E. Constant force. The answer is B. Question number 4. Newton's first law of motion is also known as the law of A. Acceleration. B. Action and reaction. C. Gravitation. D. Inertia. E. Momentum. The answer is D, which is inertia. Question number 5. The physical quantity measured in joules is... the physical quantity measured in joules is A. Power. B. Work. C. Force. D. Pressure. D. Momentum. The answer is B, which is work. Question number 6. Power is defined as the A. Force applied per unit time. B. Force done per unit time. C. Energy stored per unit mass. D. Rate of change of momentum. E. Force per unit distance. The answer is B, which is work done per unit time. Question number 7. The unit of momentum is A. Kilograms meter per second. B. Newton meter. C. Kilograms meter square per second square. D. Newton per second. E. Kilograms per second. The answer is A, which is kilogram meter per second. Question number 8. Pressure is defined as A. Force times area. B. Force divided by volume. C. Force divided by area. D. Mass divided by volume. And E. Weight times area. The answer is force divided by area. Question number 9. Pressure in a liquid increases with A. Volume. B. Temperature. C. Depth. D. Surface area. And E. Density only. The answer is C, which is depth. Question number 10. Archimedes' principle says that a body immersed in a fluid experiences A. An upward force equal to its mass. B. A downward force equal to its weight. An upthrust equal to the weight of displaced fluid. D. Pressure equal to its density. E. Force equal to its volume. The answer is C, which is an upthrust equal to the weight of displaced fluids. So if you have not yet subscribed to our channel and you're getting any value from this video, kindly like and subscribe this video and also turn on the notification bell so that whenever we upload a video like this, YouTube will send you notification. Alright, question number 11. Density is defined as mass times volume. That's A. Then B. Volume divided by mass. C. Mass divided by volume. D. Weight divided by volume. And E is force divided by mass. The answer is mass divided by volume. Question number 12. Ice floats on water because A. It is heavier. B. It has higher density. C. It has lower density. D. It expands on heating. E. Water contracts. The answer is C, in which is it has lower density. So that's the reason why ice float on water, because it has lower density. Question number 13. Simple harmonic motion occurs when acceleration is constant. That's A. B. Force is zero. C. Acceleration is proportional to displacement. D. Velocity is constant. E. Displacement is zero. The answer is C, which is acceleration is proportional to displacement. Question number 14. Which of the following is a condition for equilibrium? A. Net force is maximum. B. Acceleration is increasing. C. Net force is zero. D. Velocity is increasing. E. Momentum is changing. The answer is C, which is net force is zero. Question number 15. Heat is a form of A. Matter. B. Force. C. Pressure. D. Energy. And E. Mass. The answer is D, which is energy. Heat can be transferred. Okay, question number 16. Heat can be transferred by A. Conduction only. B. Radiation only. C. Convection only. D. Conduction, convection, and radiation. E. Evaporation. The answer is D, which is conduction, convection, and radiation. Question number 17. The expansion of a solid when heated is known as A. Evaporation. B. Diffusion. C. Conduction. D. Thermal expansion. E. Radiation. The answer is thermal expansion. Question number 18. The amount of heat required to rise the temperature of a substance by 1 Kelvin is called A. Latent heat. B. Heat capacity. C. Thermal energy. D. Internal energy. E. Specific latent heat. The answer is B, which is heat capacity. Question number 19. Boyle's law relates A. Pressure and volume. B. Volume and pressure. C. Pressure and temperature. D. Mass and volume. E. Density and temperature. The answer is A, which is pressure and volume. Question number 20. Atmospheric pressure is greatest at A. Mountain top. B. Sea level. C. High altitude. D. Vacuum. E. Space. The answer is B, which is sea level. Question number 21. A wave is a means of transferring A. Matter only. B. Energy only. C. Force only. D. Mass and energy. E. Pressure only. The answer is B, which is energy only. Question number 22. Sound waves in air are A. Transverse. B. Electromagnetic. C. Longitudinal. D. Stationary. E. Surface waves. The answer is C, which is longitudinal. Question number 23. The speed of a wave is given by A. Velocity is equal to frequency divided by wavelength. B. Velocity is equal to wavelength divided by frequency. C. Velocity is equal to frequency multiplying wavelength. D. Velocity, which is V, is equal to wavelength square multiplying F, that's frequency. E. Velocity is equal to frequency square wavelength. The answer is C, which is velocity V is equal to frequency F and wavelength. So question number 24. Frequency is measured in dash. A. Meter. B. Second. C. Hertz. D. Joule. E. Watts. The answer is C, which is hertz. Question number 25. Reflection of light occurs when light bends at a surface. That's A. A. Bend at a surface. B. Is absorbed. C. Changes color. D. Returns into the same medium. E. passes through glass. Let me take the question again. Reflection of light occurs when light A bends at a surface, B is absorbed, C changes color, D returns into the same medium, E passes through glass. The answer is D, which is returns into the same medium. Question number 26. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of A, deviation, B, refraction, C, dispersion, D, reflection, E, emergence. The answer is reflection, which is D. Question number 27. Refraction of light is due to change in A, wavelength only, B, frequency only, C, medium, D, color, E, intensity. The answer is C, which is medium. Question number 28. Refractive index is the ratio of A, real depth to apparent depth, B, apparent depth to real depth, C, speed of light in medium to vacuum, D, density of air to glass, E, wavelength to frequency. The answer is B, which is apparent depth to real depth. Question number 29. Dispersion of light produces A, white light, B, heat, C, images, D, spectrum, E, shadows. The answer is D, which is spectrum. Question number 30. Electric current is the flow of A, protons, B, electrons, C, neutrons, D, atoms, E, molecules. The answer is B, which is electrons. Question number 31. The SI unit of electric current is A, volts, B, ohm, C, ampere, D, coulomb, E, watts. The answer is C, which is ampere. Question number 32. Ohm's law says that current is directly proportional to A, resistance, B, temperature, C, voltage, D, power, E, energy. The answer is C, which is voltage. Question number 33. Resistance is measured in A, watts, B, volts, C, ampere, D, ohms, E, coulomb. So the answer is D, which is ohm. Question number 34. A fuse is used to A, increase voltage, B, reduce current, C, store charge, D, prevent electric shock, E, protect appliances. The answer is E, which is protect appliances. Question number 35. In a series circuit, the total resistance is A, reduced, B, 0, C, constant, D, the sum of individual resistance, E, the product of resistances. The answer is D, which is the sum of individual resistances. So if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification so that whenever we upload a video like this, YouTube will send you notification. And also, don't forget to share this video in order for other people to benefit from it. Question number 36. A magnetic field is a region where A, gravity acts, B, electric force acts, C, magnetic force acts, D, pressure exists, E, heat is transferred. The answer is C, which is magnetic force acts. Question number 37. Like poles of a magnet, A, attract, B, repel, C, disappear, D, neutralize, E, combine. The answer is B, which is repel. Question number 38. Electromagnetic induction occurs when A, current flows in a wire, B, a magnet is stationary, C, magnetic flux changes, D, resistance increases, E, voltage is 0. The answer is C, which is magnetic flux changes. Question number 39. Question number 39. Radioactivity is the absorption of energy. That's A. A, absorption of energy. Or let me take the question again. Radioactivity is the A, absorption of energy. B, emission of heat. C, spontaneous emission of radiation. D. Reflection of waves. E. Bending of light. The answer is spontaneous emission of radiation, which is C. Question number 14. Alpha particles are A. Electrons, B. Protons, C. Neutrons, D. Helium nuclei, and E. Photons. The answer is D, which is helium nuclei. Question number 41. Which radiation has the highest penetrating power? A. Alpha, B. Beta, C. Gamma, D. X-ray, E. Ultraviolet. The answer is C, which is gamma. Question number 42. Nuclear energy is obtained from A. Chemical reaction, B. Mechanical work, C. Atomic nucleus, D. Friction, E. Electricity. The answer is C, which is atomic nucleus. Question number 43. The device, okay, let me shift it more. Question number 43. The device used to measure electric current is A. Voltmeter, B. Ammeter, C. Galvanometer, D. Thermometer, E. Barometer. The answer is B, which is ammeter. Question number 44. The unit of power is A. Joule, B. Newton, C. Watts, D. Volts, E. Ampere. The answer is C, which is watts. Question number 45. Which instrument measures atmospheric pressures? A. Thermometer, B. Manometer, C. Barometer, D. Hygrometer, E. Anemometer. The answer is C, which is barometer. Question number 46. Energy possessed by a moving object is A. Potential energy, B. Heat energy, C. Nuclear energy, D. Kinetic energy, E. Chemical energy. The answer is D, which is kinetic energy. Question number 47. The turning effect of a force is called A. Momentum, B. Torque, C. Friction, D. Pressure, E. Acceleration. The answer is B, which is torque. Question number 48. Friction always acts A. in the direction of motion, B. perpendicular to motion, C. opposite the direction of motion, D. vertically upwards, E. randomly. The answer is C, which is opposite the direction of motion. Then question number 49. That's the center of gravity